How to pair the Fort Smart Security Siren. Installation is required by a competent individual in line with relevant regulations. First, ensure the Fort Smart Alarm Hub has been set up and no alarm delays are set. Deactivate detectors via the app and ensure that no other devices are triggered during this process. A stray signal will register the wrong device or set off the siren. Remove the siren's front cover to access mounting holes and mount the siren to the wall using the provided fixings. Route the power cable, connect the fly lead supplied and turn it on at the source. For solar versions, skip this step. Remove the silicone weather cover, turn on the power switch and wait 60 seconds for the siren to become active. While avoiding any contact with the anti-tamper switch, you can adjust the duration switch between 30 seconds, 1 minute and 3 minutes. Once the siren is active, initialize connection mode by pressing its connection button. It stays in this mode for 20 seconds. Trigger the Smart Hub using the Click Smart Plus app. Do not arm from a keypad or remote control. Short bleeps confirm the siren is now connected to the Smart Hub. Replace the front cover and re-enable detectors. Your smart siren is now ready to go. If the siren sounds unexpectedly, or if there's any other issues, follow the instructions for resetting. All Fort Smart Security products are compatible with Alexa and Google devices.